Hi, today I'm going to talk about factorization. So factorization is the opposite of expanding brackets. This is just to show that you can write expressions as a product of their factors. So I have 3 questions that I need to solve here to show you how to factorize expressions. Let's say we are given x squared minus 5x, and the question requires us to factorize this question. What do? We factor out x, and then we factor out x into x squared, we get x into minus 5x, we get minus 5, and then we put a bracket. In other words, we can say that we factor out x, and we say that x all over x minus 5x all over x. Then we get x into x minus 5. So if you do this, you still gonna get the answer. Let's do another example. Question 2. We are given x squared minus 5x minus c. How do we go about solving this expression? So the question says factorize. Okay, so how do we factorize? So we first find AC. A is equals to 1. A is just the coefficient of x squared, and then B is a coefficient of minus 5x, or the coefficient of x, which is equals to minus 5. C is equals to minus 6. So the first thing is we find AC. So AC is equals to minus 6. Our B is equals to minus 5. What we need is minus 6 and minus 5. So to factorize this expression, what we do is we find 2 numbers that if we multiply, they give us minus 6. And then if we add, it gives us minus 5. So what are those numbers? Okay, so I would say that is minus 6 and 1. Minus 6 multiplied by 1, we get minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1, we get minus 5. Okay. So what do we do after doing this? We replace minus 5x with these 2. So we say that x squared plus x is 1. Here we are taking, so the coefficient of x is 1. Okay, so now we can say that minus 6x, x minus 6x, we're still gonna get minus 5x, and then minus 6. Okay, then we get minus 6. Let's factor out x here. X into x squared, we get x. X into x, we get plus 1. Put a bracket. Then here we factor out minus 6. Bracket. And then minus 6 into minus 6x, we get x. Minus 6 into minus 6, we get 1. So plus 1. Then we put a bracket. So now we can factor out x plus 1. So x plus 1 from both. And then remaining is x minus 6. So this will be the final answer for this question. Okay, let's do another example. Example 3. Example 3 is quite complicated, but if you just pay attention to what I'll be saying, you understand. Okay, so question 3 says that 4x, let me erase and move further down a bit. Okay, so example 3 says that factorize 4x to the power of 4 minus 13x squared plus 9. And the question that says that you must write this expression as a product of four factors, because here we have x to the power of 4, so it can be written as a product of 4 factors. Okay, so what we do is we make u be equals to x squared. After that, we take the 4, we put u whether it is x squared, saying that 4u squared minus 13u plus 9. So as of now, what we need to do is to write AC. What is AC? AC is 4 multiplied by 9. What is 4 multiplied by 9? Is 36. And then B is equals to minus 13. What are those two numbers that if we multiply they give us 36, and then if we add they give us minus 13? Or those numbers are minus 9 and minus 4, because if we say minus 9 multiplied by minus 4, we get 36. If we say that minus 9 minus 4, we get minus 13. Okay, let's move on to the next point. Okay, so we replace minus 13u with minus 9 and minus 4. So now we say that 4u squared minus 4u minus 9u plus 9. Notice there is no equals to 0 here, so don't put it. Okay, so now we can factor out 4u into, okay, so 4u into 4u squared, we get a u, and then here 4u into minus 4u, we get minus 1 in the bracket. Here, because we need minus 1, u minus 1, so what we do is here we have to get a minus 1, so we can write minus 9 into, and then minus 9 into minus u, we get u. Minus 9 into 9, we get minus 1 bracket. Okay, so now we can write 4 u minus 9 bracket u minus 1. Okay, another bracket. After this, but u is equals to x squared, we substitute, so we can now put our, we now have 4x squared minus 9 bracket, another bracket, then x squared minus 1. Oh, but we are not done, because we know that we need 4 factors. Okay, so what we do here, we know that this can be written as 2 factors, and this can be written as 2 factors. Okay, so this can be written as 2x minus 3 bracket 2x plus 3, and this one can be written as x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, so here you can write the final answer will be 2x minus 3 bracket 2x plus 3 bracket x plus 1 bracket x minus 1. So this will be the final answer for this question. So this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, to comment, and share. Bye bye.